Hi, this is the ULEFONE Power Armor 18 and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So first open the Muviz Edge. In AOD section, select one from the available tabs, click to apply. Here we could switch the background or just to activate them if you didn't use them before, just tap to apply. We could here also switch music control settings. We could hide them not after 30 seconds, for example for 10, or just to don't hide them. We could show notifications and calendar, the date with the help of the switcher. In battery section, we could show battery status always while device charging or just to don't show it. Let's go back, switch AOD to the settings and tap to always on display. We could activate or turn on this option with the click on the switcher. We could show it on lock screen always while device charging on. We could use these two options separately or together. We could also decrease or increase the brightness level. To switch the AOD timeout for 5 seconds to never. Also, like the low power after timeouts, we could switch the screen orientation. To close it by double or single tap on the lock screen. To close it on fingerprint on screen off. If you want, you could set also the schedule, the start, the end time of the D&D of the always on display mode. And we could also activate and turn off the burn-in protection and pocket modes, and to disable the AOD option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD option on our ULEFONE device. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.